Hi guys, let me show you a tool you can use to perfect your selection in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So on this image right here, you can see the dress the subject is putting on. So if you want to select this dress or the subject right here, it will be really difficult when it comes to this part right here. So in this video, I have a tool you can use to perfect this selection easily. So let's just get started. So first of all, I'm just going to click my Command J on the keyboard to duplicate the background layer. So after duplicating the background layer, just come to where you have your tools and locate your quick selection tools. So after selecting the quick selection tools, if you come right here, you see select subject, select and mask. If you don't see this on your own screen, you can come to this select and you just come right to where you have your subject. So after clicking on that subject, it's going to select just the subject, although the selection won't be that perfect. So after you're done like this, you need to just come and make some few adjustments just like this to perfect the selection. So I'm just going to zone this in just like this. Then I'll use my lasso tool. I'll pick the lasso tools right here and I'll use it to perfect this selection just like this. So you can see this part, it was not added, so I'm just going to add it. Then I'll just come and perfect this at heels. Then I'll remove this right here, and also here I'll perfect it. So once you just click that, you need to still come back and adjust the selection. So if you just leave it there, your selection will be rough. So I advise once you click the select subject, you still come back. So once you're done, like after perfecting this selection, so excuse and just remove this part as well. So you can see even right here, the selection is not really that good. So let's check something. So if I come to this select and mask, you can now see the selected part is being, you can see the selected part right here, and you see the background is red. So you can see this edges is not being perfect at all. So to perfect this, you come right here. So you use this tool right here. Once you click the select and mask, you just come to this edge brush, like refine edge brush tool. Just click on it. After clicking on it, just start painting around where you want it to perfect, just like this. Like you can see, it has actually selected the black dress automatically, so I'm just going to use that. It's really quick and easy to do, so make sure you just paint it round and be careful while doing that. So I just perfect it just like this. I just paint it round all the areas I have these black curtains, and I'll just perfect it. And also here I'll just use it and just turn it around. So to use these tools is really quite easy to use and it works perfectly well. So I'm just going to come here, let's leave it to load. Then I'll come right here and I'll still repeat the same process at this point, just like that. So I'll just come, then do it here as well. So make sure you paint all around where you want it to refine the edge. So once I'm done right here, I'm just going to come here and I'll just click OK. So once I just come right there and click OK, it's going to take me back to the normal screen. So after that, I'm just going to duplicate this. Like I'll just click on my Command J with this selection on it. So it's just going to duplicate just the subject out. So after duplicating just the subject out, I'll come back to this, the down layer right here. Then I'm just going to come to solid color. Then I can change this color to any color. You can see the edges is being perfect, and I can change the color to any color of my choice. You can now see that the dress is still coming out perfectly well. So this is a tool I discovered on how to use to perfect your selection. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also make sure you like this video and also drop a comment. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video.